Hi. Yes, so this is the exam file that I've created. So this is the employee test that should be running. Well, it kind of runs, but I didn't get to finish the test employee. So it's kind of on a loop on getting the next line of the employee number, but for some reason I can only get the name and it doesn't go into the next line after it. So the that's what kind of wanting to finish it yet. Um, well, I cannot get something on the report file. I tried to run the package, but it's in a loop still and doesn't stop at any time. So for some reason, it's well, kind of not working. But it's trying to get some files to it, and I'm trying to run the package now. See if I can get a report file on it. And yeah, so it's just kind of stuck with that, and I didn't get to finish the test employee failed file. So yeah, so these are all my test files that I've created yet, and yeah, so it's not really finished on the employee test part.